What is good, guys? Welcome back to another live stream session. Okay, so let's get started. Let's go to the charts and let's see what's happened overnight. This is the first day of November. So the all right. So this was my analysis from the weekend. So I just take this little analysis here. Okay, so yeah. I kind of watch that on 4 hour. I want to do a retest right here, and obviously I want to. I just want to retest at that point right here at this area, and then continue moving down. Let's see the monthly candle. Okay, so the monthly candle right here, it's is straight bullish. Okay, so here's the thing. At the beginning of every month or every week or every single day, the price always do a wick, or it lets the higher wick or the lower wick. It depends on the trend. Okay, so at that point right here, it's easily to see that here. All right, so let's delay this analysis. Okay, so at that point right here, we can easily see we have many times rejection at this area right here at 80, 34, 53. So we will do this. Okay, we have free rejection right here. All right, so at that point right there, we can see that it's a very good area of rejection. All right, all the prices, all the bodies from monthly are closed right here, and we can put a horizontal line right at that price at 80.1481, and obviously the last monthly candle just touched this area right here and then drop. So we have to keep this in mind. We almost have a rejection right here at a very strong resistance area, and now we continue to move a bit up. Okay, so in my opinion, this is the best. I think this is the best way to let the upper wick, and then we can continue moving down. All right, let's take a look on the weekly time frame. Okay, so basically the weekly time frame right here, we see that the last weekly it's a very strong bearish candle. Okay, we can see that we don't take the high right here on the weekly time frame. We are below the level right now. At that point, we either don't take the lower low right here form on weekly, but this is something interesting. Again, we have a rejection area right here at that point. So these are our um, support and resistance areas right here. Okay, at that point, it's easily to see that we have clean candles like this one and that one, but we also have these wicks right here. We have right here, and right here. We got some wicks, okay, and also the wick right there. So we are kind of in a ranging market at that point. Okay, so let's take a look on lower time frames. So in my opinion, this is the higher wick, just to continue moving down. All right, so let's take a look on the lower time frames. All right, so at the daily, last daily, which was on Friday, it closed like a very bearish candle right here. We took all these lows and we kind of retest at this point right here, this area. Okay, right now we can easily see these candles right here and these candles right here, which are not a very good area to trade. If we are going to the to the left side, okay, we easily see that we have these I don't know, this, let's say, ranging market right here. But the best thing to trade is right here. It's right here where it's clean traffic, or it's right here where we have clean traffic also right there. Okay, so we have to find points in the market where we can entry, and we also have to keep in mind that this area right here, it's a very, it's not a very good area, to be honest. Okay, all right, so basically the well, daily is bullish, so probably I'm looking for buys just in case we break above this area right here. Okay, this is the only thing, this is the only thing, but this is the only thing that I'm watching for buys. Okay, but right now let's take a look for on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so yeah, 4-hour, it's very bullish, but on the left side, what we have many rejection points in this area right here. Okay, so many rejections right here. Well, in my opinion, these these prices between 80.1358, or let's just say 80.1360 and 1802 are prices of rejection where the institutions come and grab some liquidity to move the price up or down. Because if you take a look right here, we got many rejection points where the price just grabs some liquidity to move the price up or down. Either here it moves down and here it moves up. Alright, so with that being said, let's see where is the best entry point right here. So the best entry point, in my opinion, right now, it's somewhere here. Okay, it's somewhere here. In my opinion, this is the best entry point. But we also have to take a look on lower time frames. But in my opinion, also the best uh, entry point is between 1810 and 1802 probably. Alright, let's take a look on 1 hour. Okay, so 1 hour is basically so bullish. We have a little support right here. Let's make this white. Good. We have a little support right here. Just rejected at 3 o'clock. Alright, let's take a look. Yeah, we also move around like 27, 30 pips, but we are coming slowly to this area right here, to this area where in the past we have uh, these moves up and down, and most recently we have these under volume period right here where we can see a lot of wicks, a lot of indecisions, and yeah, it's not kind of great. Okay, let's see, let's take a look on 30 minutes. Alright, 30 minutes, it's bullish. All time frames are bullish right now. We also have right here a little support, a little minor support right here. Okay, let's take a look on the news to see if we got something today. Because without volume, well, we basically don't have any moves. Alright, so we got some news at 4 p.m. 4 p.m. was right here. Yeah, right here. So yeah, there was good news. Good news for US dollar. No, let's take a look. Okay. Alright, so we have good news. The gold moves up. Makes no sense because when they are when the market are good news for US dollar, always we move down because we traded gold against the US dollar. So right now, in my opinion, I don't know fundamental analysis, but in my opinion, this doesn't work. Like it should move down, but we'll see. Okay, we will see. So yeah, we don't have any news. Just in Asian session, we got some news at 11:45 p.m. on New Zealand dollar. Well, there are yellow news, so not a big deal. Okay, so yeah, today it's kind of chill day. I don't really want to take a trade to be honest, but I'm still looking on the charts. Okay, so at that point right here, I want to take a short on gold because of the the last daily candle who rejected this area here, and for the weekly who had a strong move down, and also for the monthly who just who just pushed the price down after touching this area right here at 18.15. Okay, so yeah, I'm waiting. I'm waiting right now. Oh yeah, and I also had like such a trend line here. Okay, it was something like this. Yeah, okay, and yeah, the target is basically this zone right here. Okay, so this is the target for shorts, and we also can see that we come slowly to this area right here, this area of rejection where we have many volume or liquidity area, and right now it just touched this candle right here. For a better confirmation, there can be like many ways, but the safest one will be a candle closure bearish on a 4-hour time frame. So this one will be good. Also, I'm going to put a horizontal line right here because in the past this area right here where we have this week just maybe make some problems. Okay, so the price just rejected many times here. Okay, so now let's take a look on 3 minutes. Okay, we start to move down a bit. We don't take the high, just around this area right here. For the safest support, for the safest stop loss at that point, we will have one above this, but there are like 100 pips. There's not, there, it's not so good. Okay, so yeah. I also don't want to be in the trade for like so fast. Like I'm not going. I don't want to be in this trade too far. Okay, not far and not too fast. Uh, I want to get the best entry and the safest one, which can be also 1 hour or yeah, let's say 4 hour. The 4 hour will be the safest one. Okay, in my opinion, there can be uh, like we just don't take this high. Okay, so there are like 20 pips, 20 30 pips stop loss here. But in many cases, the price on lower time frames tend to come back and then continue moving down. Uh, Again, the first target will be this right here, which is a lower low. This is the correction. This right here is the correction. Okay, so after the break of the correction, we can have a retest right here and then continue moving down and then even more because these are just correction. We have this big move on 30 minutes. We have this big move correction. It can make a double top or not even because we are in a downtrend obviously, and we also have this trend line right here. So the price can go even more now. Yeah, but I need more confirmations, because at that point right here we closed, well, almost bullish on 50 minutes. Okay, and we closed about this support area right here. I need a close below it. Okay, so this right here, and a close below it, and yeah, probably the best close will be on 30 minutes or 1 hour, because if this 30 minutes turn in a bearish candle right here, and this 1 hour turn also in a bearish candle, or let's just say turn into a indecision candle right here, okay, we can see that we are here at this point where it's a strong trend line which got respected many times, and also got indecision or near this pull. Okay, so yeah, it can be a good point to enter. Okay, so let's take a look on 50 minutes right here. Yeah, we don't have volume in the market, but it can happen things. I don't know. We have to wait, um, not to be that fast to grab a trade. Okay, let's take a look right now on GJ. Let's see how GJ moves today. Okay, not a big volume too on GJ. All right, let's take a look on weekly time frame right here. Okay, so GJ weekly. Well, we rejected almost nothing. I have the target personally. I have the target right here, but 160, 140, but it rejected somewhere here, 150, 200. Well, at that point, probably we'll have a pushback to a pullback. We have a pullback to gain some good price to buy again and to continue moving up. But this is only on weekly. So here, what we have to watch is this zone right here. Okay, so yeah, this zone right here, good. Because we also have the last low on weekly, and also the support which is forming right here. All right, so let's see the daily. It's like engulfing candle. Okay, we have a big a big bearish candle right here. So after it will take this low right here, probably the best target will be, let's just say, at the base of this little correction right here, where was the best entry point for these buys, around this level right here. So in my opinion, yeah, we have many targets right here, 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, these are the targets. Okay, I'm going to put the price level right here. So these are the prices that I'm watching on GJ. Okay, let's take a look on 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour is basically ranging right now. It makes such a like a correction right here. Okay, we have little correction after the breakouts. Little correction after the breakouts. Okay, and yeah, now I expected a very strong and aggressive breakout. Okay, let's take a look on 1 hour. Okay, yeah, 1 hour. It's kind of indecision right here. Probably tomorrow in London session or New York session, because right now we don't have any volume. Okay, and yeah, this will be good. The closure below this level right here. Yeah, we have around 70 pips under the first target right now. Okay, so yeah, these are the analyze right here. Let's see gold. Yeah, gold start to retrace. Yeah, it's very good. It start to retrace a lot. Okay, future can close very good right here. If we can get closure below this area right here, and then a candle up and then down. Probably we can move down until this level or even more. Okay, let's do this. Because entries on 4 hour will be like very risky because you just can grab liquidity from this area and just drop. Okay, it can drop for like 100 pips and yeah, you'll be out of the position. But right now, in my opinion, the best way to enter in this trade is to wait for this support to be breaking and then continue moving down until this area right here where we have clean traffic. Okay, we have 4 hour clean traffic of 60 pips. 60 pips, and then after the break right here, we can continue moving down. This will be like, can be like 160 pips move. Okay, okay. Yeah, I'm waiting 10 more minutes for this entry. It can be like I don't know, we can miss it, but yeah, I like 5 minutes. I like the 5 minute candle, the way it closed. Well, probably I'm going to risk some at that point right here because the 5 minute just closed below this area right here. So let's see if we can break again this level right here. Again, with a stop of like, I don't know, maybe 20 pips. Yeah, this can be good, but only in case if we break below this area once again. Okay, we break the low, the stop will be right here because, well, we also have two closure below this strong area right here. Okay, but the 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 best entry will be of course at the 1 hour closure right here below the 7093 area. So we're waiting right now. This is the 15 minute. Okay, just turn flip bullish. Okay. Also, I can keep in mind that um, we are bullish and we have clean traffic under this area right here. Okay, so what the fuck is this? Okay, so we have clean traffic under this area right here, all the way up. But right now, because of the higher time frames, I'm looking for shorts. But probably, okay, let's do it like this. Probably if the 30 minute will break above this, there's like a little move of 25 pips. Okay. Mm. Okay, well, we also can enter based on 15-minute time frame, which can be even more like 39 or for 40 pips. Uh, 40 pips more. Okay, so we're waiting at that point. Okay, 1 minute. It's like crucial. Okay, it's kind of close below this level right here. So let's see if we can enter like based on 1 minute time frame right here. Okay, it goes bearish. Yeah, let's take a sell right here. Put a stop above this. Okay. Oh, probably it's too much for stops. Like, and, okay, let's go for this one. Too much risk in the position. Yeah, it's also too much risk. Okay, we're right here. Hey, right now I'm risking 1% for this position right here. Okay, let's take a look. The stops are okay above this area. The TP doesn't matter. Let's see. Okay, this is based on 1 minute time frame. We take the low. We also have we take the low in this area right here. So yeah, let's see how we can manage the position to lose less than I want. Okay, so if it breaks above this level right here and also close above it, yeah, on 1 minute probably I'm going to cut like 50% of the position. Okay, let's see. Let's cut 50% because it breaks the high right here. Okay, right now the loss is, yeah, even more, even less. Okay. Okay, yeah, it start to grab some liquidity right now at that point. Okay, start to break. Let's see if we can cut even more from the position. Okay, yeah, probably. Let's see right here. What is gonna go? Because we have this area right here. Well, I'm going to cut it manually. Okay, yeah, I cut it. Okay, yeah. So it wasn't that good. I thought that on 1 minute right here, this is just a retest of this area right there. Okay, right here. That was a retest, and then we can continue moving down at that point. But it wasn't like that. Okay, so cool. All right, so right now we have to wait for the 1 hour to close and also the 30 minutes. Okay. Yeah, it start to move back again, even more higher. Okay, we have 4 more minutes for this candle to close, and 5 minutes just closed. Close a strong bullish candle. Okay, a strong bullish candle. So the next, with my broker, I have the top wick of of this bullish candle. But let's see. Let's see the way that this 50 minutes is about to close. This 30 minutes is about to close. And yeah, in my opinion, the bullish power just lose some. He just lost. This is it, just in my opinion. But technically, here we have a good rejection on 50 minutes. If this candle can close with a good green body, but yeah, it's just too hard to continue up, in my opinion. So let's take a look at 1 hour. Okay, so the way we have 2 more minutes, but the way this 1 hour is closing, I don't like it. I don't like it because it closed bullish above a strong support area, but the lower time frame show me that yeah, there is it start to lose some percentages of the like domination. The bullish don't work for me anymore. Like I'm not going to take buys here. I know probably I'm wrong, but I like to sell this market. To be honest, also 50 minutes just break this low and not even the high. Okay, yeah, the only thing I don't like right here now is the daily, 4 hour and hourly, because they are all bullish. Okay, hourly is bullish, 4 hour is bullish, and it can continue moving up. Daily also is bullish, and probably we have right here we have well, we also have a rejection. I didn't see this rejection right here this week, but isn't. We just like go through it and then go get back. Yeah, daily show me some bearish confirmation, to be honest. And yeah, of course weekly, which is bullish, but as I said, monthly too, this is just like kind of weak on lower time frame to continue moving in the opposite direction. But we can go up, probably even to hit this level right here and then continue down. We don't know. We just have to wait until to be the second hunter in the market. Okay, so at that point we have indecision on 30-minute candle. We have strong bullish closure on 1 hour. Okay, on 5 minutes it's kind of good for buys, to be honest. Okay, 50-minute looks great, but we have to wait also. We have to wait all time. Probably I'm going to give it another chance after it breaks the 5 minute low right here with a stop. Well, let's take a look on 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to give it a second chance. If this low, okay, it just break it. Okay, with a stop right here. Right, probably to continue down there. Okay, this is on the 30 minutes. Based on the 30 minutes, frankly, it's based on 30 minutes because yeah, we kind of okay, that's too much. Let's see right now, so it's okay. So okay, the stops are right there. Entry, okay, actually the entry point is not here. The entry point is around 7093.03. Okay, let's take a look. 303. But because we don't have that much volume in the market, and because it is like a very, this is the second chance given to this trade, all I want to see is just breaking the low and continue straight down. If this is not possible, well, I'm going to exit all the position right here. Oh, yeah, right there. Okay, and the maximum, yeah, almost 2% for today. Let's count something here. Alright, the risk is better right now. It will be around almost 2% for today. But to be honest, yeah, let's cut even more. Yeah, I'm going to cut, like, I don't want to raise that much, to be honest on that. So let's see. We have 1% right now. With this one, yeah, I'm perfectly fine with the trade. Okay, so yeah, this is the target right here. Yeah, I'm perfectly fine with the risk that I'm winning right now. All fine, all good. I have good stops in my opinion. Okay, let's see the TP. I'm going to put it all the way down right there. Let's take a look. Okay, yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, I'm going to put it somewhere here, probably, because if it's come back and touch my touch my okay, yeah, it just flip in the bearish direction. One means kind of like I don't know, kind of fake out right here, but yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay with a wall risk. I'm okay with a wall risk right there. I'm going to keep the I'm going to keep this this stop loss because well, I'm okay with it. And this will be the second trade of today with a lower risk. Well, I risk around 1% a trade, and it's kind of cool. Like 1% a trade, and if I'm taking this full loss right now, if this doesn't work based on the time frames that I analyzed, if this doesn't work, well, let's see. I'm about to lose. Let's see, let's see. Okay. Okay, I'm about to lose around 1.3% of the account, which is so low. 1.3% a day loss. It's not a big deal. So yeah. Okay. Okay. Probably I'm going to secure some here if it's possible, or down there. Let's see. Let's see the down there. Let's take a look if it goes in my direction. Yeah, it's almost okay. Well, the stop, it's like a very risky one because I put a stop loss based on 15 minutes. I don't want this high to be taken, but if I'm taking a look on 30 minutes, yeah, of course we can place it right here. But right now, because well, I'm such in an indecision uh, area to be honest, because I'm not confident 100% of the on this trade. We don't close below this support. The only thing that I'm taking these sales are because the 30-minute candle closed like a bearish candle around this area right here of where I place this trend line, which is for me a very good confirmation. Just for that, but all the time frame looks bullish to me, and yeah, this is tough. Yeah, even 5 minutes, it's just taking the wall lows, but right now it's just pushing up. Well, yeah, we either don't have that so much volume. Okay, but I can assume this lower risk, so yeah, probably I'm going to place the stop just above this 5-minute candle, and the risk will be less. Okay, so the stop will be I placed above this 5-minute candle to be even lower on the risk, because once this 5 minutes is taken up, the 50 minutes will flip bullish, and there is no way that candle will turn in a bearish candle again, because once we take the high right here, we can easily continue moving up to this area right here, 70.98. Right now we have indecision in the market. Um, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Low risk, like kind of good. We start to have some volume. The spreads are higher right now. Yeah, we also have to wait. Yeah, the stops are just above the top wick of the 30-minute candle. Oh, yeah, we have to wait. We have to wait. I wait patiently. I don't think that this is a good trade because of the whole things right there, but we are such in an indecision price right now. You know what? We have. Nah, this is not a good trade. I'm closing it. I'm closing it. This is not a good trade. This is just bullshit. I entered based on 30 minutes and 1 hour. Look at this 1 hour bullish. It just touched the bottom right here of the support, and now we can go even more up. Look at that. Look at that. We don't even take the 30-minute candle, the 30-minute wick right there. Yeah, once this 50-minute candle just flip bullish, yeah, I think it's a good opportunity for longs to 37 pips for real. With all my technical analysis, I know I'm wrong right now, and it's pretty okay to be wrong. Okay. Oh yeah, start to move fast that back. Okay. I also can go for a like double bottom here, and yeah, probably then it can move up. Okay, just break. Let's give it a third chance right here. This start to move bullish again. Yeah, I'm out. Mm-hmm. And 1 minute looks pretty good. Goes below it with a wick right here. Goes below this. Yeah, it's kind of cool. Let's see if this is a drop or no. Okay, let's see on 1 minute. I don't want these high to be taken, so that I will take some risk out of the position. Okay, it moves good right now. Oh, we have a little retracement right here. You have this area which wants to be breaking for a continuation. Probably I'm going to cut 50% of this. Yeah, okay, right now. I just cut for to be safe. Pull that, it grabs some liquidity. The risk is good right now. Okay, at that point, I'm not going to do anything for this position. I'm just let it go, and yeah, that's all. Probably all the way down to this area. So let's see, short position was, I don't know, it's probably right here. That wait. All right, right below these. Okay, stop is right here. TP it's kind of big. It's right there. Okay. Okay, the 5-minute close strong bullish. Yeah, it's a good close right now. Let's see. Right. Okay, right now the best thing on 1 minute it's not to close above it. Okay, yeah, this is good. But I don't want to close above this level right here, to be honest. Okay, so yeah, it have some issues, but it's crucial. If this is you start to close above it, we have clean traffic just up to our stop, and it's not a good thing. Okay. Okay, the new 50-minute candle just start and it moves up. Probably that was the idea of the 1 minute time frame to just flip like that. Okay, well, right now, to be honest, we have a closure below this support right here. So to have a safe stop, a safe stop loss, I'm going to move it right here because I don't want it to flip again bullish and things like that. Okay, so let's place it right there. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. Let's see about these candles. What is? Okay, so 5 minutes. Place it above here. Yeah, well, it's pretty good. Decent target to all the way down here. Let me check. Okay, so all the way down here. This is the primary target. Yeah. Alright, so I just closed the trade at the break even, and right now at that point I am down 1.5% of the account. So the okay, right now my target is to keep losses small and to start to lose percentages of the account and to risk them. I mean, not only to risk a bunch of like 10 euros or 5 euros or something like that. I'm watching and I'm looking just for percentages, so that way when I'll have like a big amount of money, I'll be more disciplined and it will be better for me. Wait, right now I'm down 1.5% for today. This is today it's Monday, so Mondays are such a creep days for me because I usually lost all the Mondays. For me was like minus 10%, minus that big amount of money. But right now I start to make a progress because you know I start to lose less, and first my first thing is like to lose around 1% a trade. So I do three trades. I give it this trade like three chances, and let's do the math. For three trades with 1% is like 3% of the account. It's bigger than my daily loss overall with 2%. Okay, so I risk 3% for all these three positions, and I just lost around 1.5%, and not even 1.5. It's around 1.45 or something like that. But for me, this is so good. This is so good because uh, I'm on the right way right now. So yeah, kinda good. This is the goal. The goal is to keep losses small and to start to build the account slowly. This is the whole thing. Alright. Okay. Okay, right now it's 17 o'clock. I want to wait for the 18 o'clock, like 6 p.m. o'clock to see how the market is going and to see how to watch this 1 hour move. Okay, I'm going to stay for 27 more minutes right here. Wait, GJ. Okay, it's about to break this for 1 hour. This resistance right here. But okay. So yeah, I'm going to wait for the 1 hour candle to close. Because if this 1 hour take off this low, probably it will be a good move. Also, it's weird that we don't have that so much volume today. Like, look at the volume on 29 October and look at the volume today. Like, the liquidity is so low. Okay, yeah, these are good and bad days. And for me, it's better that I lose so low right now. Yeah, there's no volume. So if it was volume, probably this. So we take a look at this week right here. There is, okay, this one. Okay, let's put it right. Okay, this one right here, and also this week right here, and also this body right here. So with volume, we easily break it down and continue moving down. And probably after this break of the body, we continue down and down. But right now, we don't have volume, so the volume is so low. Today is Monday. I'm going to quit the live stream right here, right now, uh, because it's like wasting time staying on the charts and see nothing. Okay, so we'll see